Ever found yourself juggling tasks, deadlines, and team communication, and wondered if there's a magic bullet to bring it all together? Maybe you've heard whispers of Trello and Microsoft Teams, both promising to boost your productivity. But then the big question hits. Are they the same thing? Is Trello like Teams? That's what we're diving into today, because understanding the nuances between these powerful tools can be a game changer for how you and your team get things done. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's paint a picture. Imagine a project with multiple moving parts. Design mock-ups to finalize, marketing copy to write, and developer handoffs to manage. Communication is flying across emails, instant messages are pinging constantly, and important files are scattered across different folders. Sound familiar? This is where tools like Trello and Teams step in, offering a centralized hub to organize information and streamline collaboration. At their core, both Trello and Microsoft Teams aim to improve teamwork and organization. They offer features that help teams communicate, share files, and track progress. However, the way they achieve this, their primary focus and their strengths lie in different areas. Thinking of them as identical would be like saying a Swiss Army knife is the same as a full toolbox. Both are useful for different kinds of jobs. Let's start by taking a closer look at Trello. Imagine a digital whiteboard filled with sticky notes. That's essentially the core concept of Trello. It's built around a visual system of boards, lists, and cards. Each card represents a task, an idea, or anything you want to keep track of. You can move these cards across lists, which often represent different stages of a workflow, for example, to do, in progress, and done. Inside each card, you can add a wealth of information. Descriptions, due dates, assignees, checklists, attachments, and labels for categorization. This makes Trello incredibly versatile for managing projects of all sizes and complexities. Whether you're planning a marketing campaign, organizing a software development sprint, or even just managing your personal to-do list, Trello's visual and flexible nature makes it easy to adapt to your specific needs. The beauty of Trello lies in its simplicity and visual clarity. You can see at a glance where each task stands, who's responsible, and what the next steps are. Collaboration is facilitated through the ability to add team members to boards and cards, leave comments, and receive notifications on updates. It's a fantastic tool for task management and workflow visualization. Now, let's shift our focus to Microsoft Teams. Teams, on the other hand, is a comprehensive communication and collaboration platform. While it certainly offers features for task management, its primary strength lies in fostering real-time communication and providing a central hub for all team interactions. Think of Teams as your digital office space. It brings together chat channels for different projects or teams, video conferencing capabilities for meetings, file sharing integrated with SharePoint, and the ability to integrate with a wide range of other Microsoft and third-party applications. Within Teams, you can have dedicated channels for specific topics, allowing for focused discussions without cluttering email inboxes. You can share and co-edit documents in real time, conduct video calls with screen sharing, and even create lightweight task lists within channels using Microsoft Planner or the Tasks by Planner and To-Do app. While Teams does offer task management functionalities, it's often more geared towards managing tasks within the context of a broader conversation or project communication flow. The emphasis is on keeping everyone connected and informed. So, are they the same? Not really. While both aim to improve team productivity, they approach it from different angles. Trello is fundamentally a visual task management tool, excelling at organizing and tracking work through its board, list, and card system. Teams, on the other hand, is primarily a communication and collaboration hub, with task management being one of its many features. To further illustrate the differences, let's consider some key aspects. Primary focus. Trello's core strength is task and project management through visual organization. Teams' primary focus is communication, collaboration, and providing a central workspace for all team activities. Task management. Trello's card-based system is highly flexible and customizable for managing tasks and workflows. Teams offers task management through integrations like Planner or basic task lists within channels, which are often tied to specific conversations or projects. Communication. While Trello allows for comments on cards, its communication features are less robust than Teams, which offers real-time chat, video conferencing, and threaded conversations. File sharing. Trello allows file attachments to cards, keeping them contextual to specific tasks. Teams integrates with SharePoint, providing a more comprehensive document management system with version control and co-editing capabilities. Integration. Both tools offer integrations with other applications. Trello integrates with a wide array of productivity tools through Power UPS. Teams seamlessly integrates with the Microsoft ecosystem, Office 365, etc., and also offers numerous third-party app integrations. Scalability and complexity. Trello's simplicity makes it highly scalable for individuals and teams of all sizes, and it's relatively easy to learn. Teams, with its broader range of features, can be more complex to fully utilize and manage, especially for larger organizations. Use cases. Trello shines when the primary need is visual task management and workflow organization, such as managing editorial calendars, tracking sales pipelines, or running agile development sprints. Teams is ideal for teams that require constant communication, file sharing, and a central hub for all project-related activities, such as remote teams or organizations heavily invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.